Kiara-ini gia gute takataka gia gioto nikuo mutu ucio uthukangitio na njira ya kumemendwo ni itinga na gutukanio na tiri. Ino ari njira imwe ya kugiririria guthuka kwa riera.
We are destroying 36 tons of assorted maize flour from Nakuru County. This maize flour was found to be unfit for human consumption, and we were given a court order in the month of December so that we can destroy this the consignment. What I can say is that the consignment had aflatoxin, which were very much above the minimum allowable levels.
Ni mutu ugwetetwo gukorwo uri ugwati ni gukorwo no utume mundu arware murimu wa cancer kumana na thumu wa Aflatoxin.
Called carcinogenic elements that can cause cancer of many areas, the throat cancer, it can cause the stomach cancer, esophagus cancer, and etc.
Kuri na tani ingi 20 cia mutu, cukari na indo ingi cia mathara cigukorwo cikihingwo ica ikuhi wona igoti riheana watho na ria mekunyitikana na indo ici matanyitwo kuhingurirwo thitango.
Half sugar that we sampled late last year, we took the samples to the government chemist, and what we got is that lead metal. They had high levels of lead metal, and that one we are already in court. We want to get the court order so that we can also destroy.
Muingi ni uritio kugia na umenyereri muno iria maragura indo matuka-ini na hindi yo yothe mangitungana na indo itakinyeire ikiro makahuraga riboti na iyo. Mugururio na firigiceni o ta iyo ni gwikuha hari indo cia mugunda ta mboga na matunda ni gukorwo cikoretwo cikiendia o hindi cia hurwo dawa na uguo kurehe ugwati kuri muingi.
I want to say that we are also sampling the fresh produce, because some people, what they are doing, today you spray your vegetables, but tomorrow you get customer. What do? You sell the vegetables, but when they reach to the market, they contain what we call the herbicides, the fungicides, the chemicals, and those chemicals are not supposed to reach to our table.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Getwo Njeri wa Gitau.